Do you enjoy working outside in the fresh air? What about playing video games? What if you could do both of those at the same time? Have you ever flown a drone? It's kind of like a video game, isn't it? Would you believe that I get paid to fly drones for a living? My name is Matthew Johnson, and I'm the president of M3 Drone Training Zone and M3 Drone Services. Drone technology is one of the fastest growing industry sectors in the world. There are now literally millions of drones being flown around the world to accomplish tasks that used to be either very difficult, very dangerous, very dull, or a combination of all three. The World Economic Forum predicted a net gain of 58 million new jobs over the next 5 years in the drone industry. My advice for anyone interested in getting involved in technology is to do some research first of all, search around the internet, try and find out as much as you can about opportunities in a specific field, and then take a step, do something about it, get involved in it, get hands-on experience. I bought my first drone after thinking about it for a few months, thinking what are the opportunities in the industry, and then I just went and did it. And I started putting up ads on Kijiji or whatever, just starting to get the idea out there. And once I started doing that, people started seeing what I was doing. From there it just rolled, and we were able to continue building and building and building.